Oh. Whoa there, good sir. You might want to take it easy. It says here in my files that you've been in a coma now for 25 years.
What's the dollar price per Bitcoin?
Dollars? We don't use dollars. Although 1 Bitcoin will buy you a Lambo. Oh dear, it's happened again. Can you stop smiling, please? It's wildly inappropriate. No hoodie today, peeps. The bottom of crypto is falling out as of recording, and that's a good thing. No, I'm not going to try and feed you that rhetoric. I don't think crypto going down is a good thing. Not for you, not for me, not for people that bought this year, businesses, credibility, pretty much anything. This could be loosely tied to the news that the SEC has delayed the CBOE ETF decision, the one that everyone's waiting for. The commission is extending this 45-day time period. The commission finds that it is appropriate. Accordingly, the commission, pursuant to section blah of Act blah, designates September 30th, 2018 as the date by which the commission shall either approve or disapprove or institute proceedings to determine whether to disapprove the proposed rule change. I think this is great news. This is actually coming sooner than I thought it would. I don't see this as bad news. But I'm also not banking on a prolonged bull run should there be positive news or negative news, whatever, September 30th. The same thing was meant to happen with Bitcoin futures, and we all know how that turned out. The only silver lining that I see right now is that if every after boom cycle there's a bust cycle, then the sooner we get to the bottom of wherever this is going to go, however low it's going to be, as soon as we get there, the sooner we get there, the sooner that we can start to recover. So let's look at some of the depth of the markets. I'm going to use GDAX. It's one of my favorites. It's a very popular exchange by volume. Not a whole lot of resistance, but if we zoom out, it really picks up at around the $5,000 region. The most painful thing for me right now is not that crypto is going down, but that it's going down slowly, bleeding out slowly. No, I really don't mind Bitcoin going down. I do have buy orders. I have buy orders as high as 5,800 and going down from there. Not financial advice, by the way, not accredited. Some coins, though, are definitely getting there faster than others. EOS with nearly 18%. Ripple, very nasty. This has got to be one of the worst offenders. You know what? Let's do this. Everyone's favorite website, all-time high index, linked below. In case you're a masochist. Percentage from all-time high. No, Ripple's actually quite low, I guess, in the list. There's quite a few that are worse. Minus 91% from its all-time high. Just no words. I mean, it's at 35 cents right now. This is like such a second opportunity, eventually, for newcomers to crypto. I remember when I first came in, Ripple was like 15, maybe 20 cents at the time. Then it took off, but hey, it's back again. The thing we're seeing right now is that during a bust cycle, which we're going through right now, altcoins tend to bust faster than Bitcoin. That sounded wrong. Altcoins also tend to boom faster than Bitcoin in a boom cycle. So this is the particular reason why we're seeing Bitcoin dominance continue to grow and grow and grow. We're just a couple of days now, maybe away from 50% dominance, because Bitcoin isn't falling as fast. I do a lot of reading on cryptocurrency forums every morning, getting a feeling for where the market is at. It's quite negative today, as you'd imagine, but a lot of negativity makes me feel better, because I'm a psychopath. No, because that's where the potential for biggest rewards are. It seems many people have lost hope, which is encouraging for me. That does sound really psychopathic. So today, we are going to be taking a sponsored look at LOCI coin. Now, I'm going to be honest, there is some concerns that I will share with you, but my team, as usual, have reviewed this project with me with strict instructions to remain unbiased, and today we're going to go through our findings in this video. As always, please do your own research, please formulate your own opinions, and please be careful when it comes to investing your own money into especially speculative assets like this. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you, this is extremely speculative. Tiny market cap, low volume, small following, well below ICO price at this stage, although quite a lot is. But if they've come to me, they're likely going to other content creators. That potentially means there could be some traction going on, about to. I'm not sure. To be honest, I have no idea. Despite all these risks, LOCI does have a great concept that makes sense putting on the blockchain and a working product. So stick around if you're interested. We're going to do a deep dive into it. So at the heart of it, LOCI is an intellectual property tool which aims to facilitate the searching, protection, and selling of anyone's ideas. So currently the problem is that the patent agent, or the current traditional method of researching an idea, which is quite an outdated and manual process that incurs quite a lot of fees. It's estimated that a patent in the US can cost over $2,500, and here in the UK, usually £3,000 to £5,000. There's also some other issues like very little protection for your ideas, no invention guidance, and limited to the patent agent ability solely. Enter LOCI. So LOCI's mission is to become the gold standard platform for inventors and their ideas. LOCI allows users to protect and sell their ideas faster and cheaper than traditional methods like eBay, but it will also serve as a marketplace so anyone can buy, sell, or exchange their IPs. That's not my real number, by the way. Don't bother calling. So the working product of LOCI then offers two core products, LOCI Search and LOCI Invention Analysis. Taking a look at LOCI Search, just type in something, tool, right? Very generic, but we'll do that. So this is a free service. It does have paid features, but it's patented Venn diagram IP search tool. Now, the invention analysis helps determine the originality and demand of your ideas before having to apply for patents. Okay, it says that we've got too many results down here. Quite a few results. This project's been around for a while. You can see things, 2016. So LOCI gives scores which guide inventors on how to move forward with their inventions. This analysis provides feedback on how to tune the idea to increase its uniqueness, novelty, and thus likelihood of patentability, let's say. So once you are confident with your idea, you can then provisionally patent it via the LOCI platform, as well as stake it on the Ethereum blockchain for, the usual immutable, undisputable, but it's timestamped as well, of your idea. So the advantages of using this method is that it's low cost, you got the protection of a blockchain, less roadblocks, easier to use, and you have invention analysis. So that brings us on to the token. What is that for? So currently the use cases are as a subscription to unlock the advanced features of the LOCI Search platform, to stake ownership of an idea/invention on the Ethereum blockchain, and to place bids to purchase other IPs on the local marketplace. Moving on to partnerships, LOCI has 8 partnerships, some recognizable names like Walton Chain. It's unclear exactly what the partnerships will entail, but they've said that they want to work together to create more revolutionary inventions. Then we have UpChannel, which is one of the world's largest decentralized app marketplaces. They've added LOCI to its marketplace, and Legxit, which is a marketplace again for IPs and more. Generally, I'd say those are pretty positive. In terms of token economics, during the ICO, if you were an early investor, I think tokens were around 35 cents, and if you were late to the ICO, they went as high as 75. So this peaked at above that, 87 cents. So obviously people are going to take some profits, and then the bear market ensued. This is February 2018, so it wasn't a great time. This is very much speculative, very much probably long-term goals. If you like the project, I wouldn't expect a quick return. It's definitely a long-term thing. LOCI's approach to intellectual property and its solution does make sense, as they are important to allow anyone to become an inventor or explore their ideas much more easily and a much lower cost. And that's LOCI Coin. All right, if you made it this far, well done. You are hardcore. Thank you for watching, thank you for the support, and I will see you again very soon.